What if one tool could outlast your wildest survival challenges? Meet 3 military knives that don't just look tough. They perform like legends. Imagine a knife that feels like a dependable friend in the toughest scenarios. It's got a full-tang 4.8-inch 420 HC steel blade, tough as nails and coated for corrosion resistance. The handle is rubber textured for grip even when wet, and the pommel can smash through glass. What really steals the show is the modular sheath system. Carry it vertically, horizontally, or drop leg, whichever fits your loadout. This is one tool that lasts. You can beat on it, pry with it, and still count on it at dawn. Now shift to precision with power. The SRK is a favorite among Navy SEALs. It boasts a 6-inch SK5 high-carbon blade that holds an edge and resists rust under pressure. The clip point design gives you surgical control for detailed tasks, while the full-tang build handles batoning like a champ. Paired with grooves in the Crayex handle, your grip stays secure during messy rescues or wet ops. Add in the rugged SecureX sheath, and you've got a blade that stands up to missions few others dare. Think of a knife so smooth it feels like an extension of your hand. The Paramilitary 2 blends smart engineering with slick ergonomics. It folds perfectly using a compression lock that's among the safest out there. Its CPMS 35VN blade swings open with barely a push, offering both wicked sharpness and rust resistance. Whether you're slicing through rope or prepping gear, this one glides with precision. It's lightweight, intuitive, and built for both everyday carry and serious work. This one's built like a tank, but handles like a sports car. The Ka-Bar BKR-7BRK is a classic combat utility knife trusted by soldiers, hunters, and survivalists alike. Its 7-inch 1095 Crovan steel blade has incredible edge retention and takes a beating without giving up. The Grivery handle is lightweight yet durable, molded to stay in your grip when things get intense. Whether you're cutting, digging, or hammering with the butt end, this knife doesn't flinch. It's a no-nonsense workhorse, simple, reliable, and built to thrive in the real world. If your wilderness adventures start where the trail ends, the BOB is your ultimate partner. Designed with input from survival experts, this fixed blade packs a 4.5-inch 1095 steel blade with a Scandinavian grind, perfect for carving, skinning, and fire prep. The micarta handle feels like it was sculpted for your palm, even in wet or cold conditions. And let's not forget the emergency whistle built into the sheath, because when you're off the grid, every feature matters. This knife isn't flashy, it's functional, fierce, and field ready. Double-edged double trouble. The Cold Steel Peacekeeper 2 is a true dagger-style blade built for thrusting power and tactical precision. Its 7.5-inch stainless steel blade tapers to a razor-sharp point on both sides, making it ideal for piercing and close-quarters use. The handle? Craton for grip and shock absorption. It's got the intimidating look of a combat dagger, but the thoughtful ergonomics and balanced weight give it real-world functionality. If your gear needs to be both fierce and fast, this one delivers with military-grade style. This one's all about speed and strength. The Kershaw Blur S30 Volt is a folding knife that opens fast with Kershaw's assisted opening system, making it ideal for tactical use. The blade is made of premium S30 Volt stainless steel, hard, wear-resistant, and corrosion-resistant, meaning it stays sharper, longer. The handle is aircraft-grade aluminum with TrackTech inserts for a no-slip grip, even with gloves or wet hands. Whether you're in uniform or off-duty, this knife feels reliable, fast, and purpose-built for quick deployment. Don't be fooled by its lightweight design. The Endura is a powerhouse in your pocket. This knife features a 3.75-inch VG10 stainless steel blade that's both sharp and tough, ideal for fieldwork or everyday carry. The fiberglass reinforced nylon handle reduces weight without sacrificing durability, and the signature thumb hole makes for smooth one-handed opening. It's designed for those who need high performance in a compact, feather-light form, perfect for hiking, patrol, or just staying prepared without the bulk. Compact but far from weak, This fixed blade from SOG punches well above its weight. It's designed for discreet carry and fast access, with a clip point blade that's razor sharp and versatile enough for slicing, piercing, and detailed cutting. The textured handle fits snug in your grip, even when wet. Designed for high-intensity situations, the Border Guard is the kind of knife that says, "Don't mess with me." It features a partially serrated 4.4-inch stainless steel blade, giving you both slicing power and aggressive cutting when needed. The aluminum handle is textured and tough, and it even includes a built-in glass breaker and seatbelt cutter, ideal for emergency or rescue scenarios. Whether clipped to your vest or tossed in your truck, this knife earns its spot in your gear lineup. This one is all about control and style. The Vaquita 2 packs a compact 2.9-inch nitro-E steel blade with a drop point profile that's perfect for precision work. It's built for EDC, but don't let the size fool you. It's strong, corrosion-resistant, and backed by a G10 or micarta handle that gives it a modern, tactical edge. The full-tang design adds confidence, while the compact sheath makes it easy to carry anywhere. Tactical meets automatic. The Infidel is a bold, double-action, out-the-front knife that deploys lightning fast with a flick of the thumb. Its 3.9-inch DE2 steel blade offers strong piercing capability, while the black anodized aluminum handle keeps it lightweight but rugged. Designed for operators and enthusiasts alike, it locks open with confidence and retracts just as fast. This is a knife made for rapid response, quick access, and maximum intimidation, all packed into one sleek black frame. Fast, fierce, and featherlight, the Shootout Tanto is built for speed and precision. The Tanto-style blade punches through tough materials, while the out-the-front automatic mechanism deploys in a flash. The CF Elite handle is incredibly lightweight, making this one of the most carry-friendly tactical knives around. Whether you're slicing through nylon, cutting through straps, or just need something reliable in a pinch, this knife is built for action. It's modern, mean, and mission-ready. This knife looks like it belongs in a spy movie, and it performs like it too. The AutoFact combines sleek carbon fiber with tough aluminum, delivering a lightweight build that doesn't sacrifice strength. Its 3.9-inch spear point blade is CPMS 90V steel, razor sharp and ridiculously wear resistant. It opens with the press of a button thanks to the automatic mechanism and locks up solid for confident use. It's the perfect fusion of elegance and edge, built for those who value stealth and style in their gear. Built for big adventures in a lightweight package, the Tagged Out is made for field dressing, backcountry use, and tactical flexibility. It features a high-performance CPMS 90V blade that stays sharp through heavy use, and the carbon fiber scales keep the weight insanely low. The ergonomic handle design feels natural and secure in the hand, whether you're slicing through paracord or prepping campfire kindling. It's the kind of knife you forget you're carrying until it saves the day. If minimalism had a tactical edge, this would be it. The PSK is a compact fixed blade designed for survival kits and stealth carry. It uses premium materials, carbon fiber, and black G10 to stay light, grippy, and tough under pressure. The blade may be small, but it's razor sharp, easy to maintain, and surprisingly versatile. Whether you're slicing, skinning, or opening up gear, the PSK handles it with quiet efficiency. It's proof that sometimes less really is more. This knife feels like something you'd pass down through generations. The Dacian combines ancient blade aesthetics with modern tactical engineering. It features a wide drop-point blade with a stone-washed finish and a brown canvas micarta handle that offers superb grip with an old-world feel. Full-tang construction gives it rock-solid strength, and its balance makes it ideal for both camp tasks and defensive use. It's a blade with heritage vibes and hardcore performance, perfect for the field, forest, or collection shelf. This knife doesn't just look premium, it performs like a precision tool. The Benchmade 710 is a high-end folder featuring a CPM M4 blade steel that's built for edge retention and raw cutting power. Its sleek profile houses an axis lock for smooth, ambidextrous operation, and the contoured handle offers a confident, ergonomic hold. It's a knife that delivers performance and elegance in equal parts, made for those who take their gear seriously and don't compromise on quality. Let us know in the comments, and if you're into rugged gear, survival tools, or tactical tech, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next. We've got more cutting-edge gear coming your way. Stay sharp out there.